Okay, so as mentioned, the radius was 6, and the equation of the circle was x plus 6 squared plus y plus 5 squared is equal to 36, because the radius is 6. Okay, if you go to our previous diagram over there, radius was 6, and there's our equation. Well, now they're saying determine the coordinates of B. Well, there's something you got to know about B. B lies on the x-axis. B is on the x-axis, right? And if B is on the x-axis, then we can say, well, the y-coordinate is actually equal to 0. That's something we know. We want to determine the coordinates of B, but we know y is equal to 0. Now, well, this y is equal to 0 on the x-axis, B is on the x-axis, and so is the circle. It is the point of intersection with the x-axis. So given that I know that this y must be 0, I can easily solve for x. So let us do that. And if you're unsure as to why I'm doing this, just pause, take a moment, go through the video, watch it again, and then try and convince yourself half the stuff I'm saying is true. Okay. Plus, I'm going to make the y equal to 0, plus 5 squared is equal to 36. Okay, so let's work this out. X plus 6 squared, and that's going to be plus 5 squared. This is going to be 36. If I square that out, I'm going to get 25, and then I'm going to take it over to the other side, or I'm going to add negative 25 to both sides. Right, and 36 minus, it's going to be 11. And this here is actually going to give me x squared plus 12x plus 36 okay. Let me just take this out. I simplified that before the time. Okay, and then I get this over here. Well, what does that give me? That gives me the following. It gives me x squared plus 12x. The 36 and positive 36, they cancel out, right? And then I've got positive 25. X squared plus 12x plus 25 is equal to 0. And what does that give me? Well, factors of 25 I add to give me 12. Do I get that? Probably not, because the only factors I know of 25 that I add, it's 5 and 5, so basically those are the factors of 5 that I've got. So I'm going to need to solve this using the formula. Okay, so you'll see if I use the quadratic formula to actually solve this, because I cannot factorize, I'm going to get one solution that says x is equal to minus 2,68, right? And then the alternative solution is going to be minus 9 comma, or x is equal to minus 9,32. Well, you can see you get these two solutions, and now you gotta pay attention to what's actually happening over here. Can you notice that both values are negative? Because there's actually two places where the circle cuts, or where y is equal to 0, and that's that green point over there, quite bright, and this point over here. So if I look at that one is going to be minus 2,68. So B has got coordinates. The correct English usage would be B has coordinates instead of has got. Minus 2,68 on the y, and on the x, and 0 on the y. And then this one would actually be that x coordinate over there, minus 9,32. Okay, so well done and best of luck.